For just the second time in state history, Xcel Energy proactively shut off power to thousands of people.
It is to reduce the risk of wildfires, and as far as we've seen, it's worked. No significant wildfires were reported in our state due to down power lines. Here's a look at the current outages right now as we track more extreme wind this week. About 96,000 people are without power. Xcel evaluating the need for a second public safety power shutoff starting at 5 a.m. Friday. That could mean some communities now without power could stay that way for the next 3 days.
Once the wind event stops, that does not mean your power will be immediately restored. We have several hundred crew members that are already being pre-positioned, that are on standby, so that when the wind event does end, they will be able to immediately begin inspecting the lines. They have to visually inspect the lines for damage before restoring the power.
Xcel says it looks at strong wind gusts, dry conditions, low humidity, of course, when considering shutting off the power.
Now, this is a concern that folks in Boulder County know all too well. Your reporter Sarah Horbakowitz joins us live from her community tonight, where more than 40,000 people are without power.
Yeah, Michael, we're seeing dark streets and the wind keeps blowing hair, blowing trees. We saw wind gusts over 100 miles per hour today, and look at some of the damage we're seeing just clipping a car with a tree trunk. This stretched probably 20 feet, about 7 feet tall, and this is something that fell during these wind gusts today. It's all a part of what we're seeing of just how strong these storms are, leaving people trying to weather the storm and without power. Trees blew sideways, buckets rolled, and debris of a college town was found, well, all across town.
It's just a complete ghost town, windy ghost town too.
Otto Salguero owns Otto's Kitchen in Boulder. Without power since Wednesday morning.
Back in the dish area, it's pitch black.
And expecting to lose thousands of dollars if it stays out through Friday.
It's a pretty great impact. 3 days of no business, food cost, what it's going to cost to get right back up.
Thousands of others in Boulder County are also in the dark, letting the light guide them to McGuckin's Hardware.
Pretty much every 5 minutes, someone's coming in looking for a generator that we don't have.
Are you out?
We're all out.
The flashlight aisle didn't fare much better.
Used to be full this morning. Now it is completely wiped out.
That's where we found McGuckin's employee Elizabeth, who had weathered problems a flashlight can't fix.
I was walking out of school and I went to my car and there was a giant tree on top of my car.
Giant indeed. Neighbors say the wind gusts around 100 miles per hour knocked this over, but Elizabeth still came to work.
I love helping people. I love McGuckin's, so just be where I can be and being helping people.
And that seems to be the spirit throughout Boulder as crowds fill hardware stores and wait for the winds to die down. Now, these winds are no joke. I mean, just look at some of the damage that we're dealing with here. People are cutting through the trees to make paths in the roadway. The hardware store says they expect to have more generators and flashlights tomorrow before these winds come back on Friday. And here in this community, the Marshall Fire is still pretty close to mind for a lot of people, and a lot of people saying they're thankful for power outages over any wildfire risk. Reporting in Boulder, Sarah Horbakowitz covering Colorado First.
Yeah, good perspective tonight, Sarah. Thank you.